Good morning. Thanks for joining us on this Saturday morning. I'm Katrina Smith. A fine morning for the Utica St. Patrick's Day Parade. In fact, meteorologist Eric Gage is not in studio with me this morning. He's at the parade, at the start of the parade in the elements. Ready with your forecast? Let's head down to Oneida Square. Eric.
Good morning, Katrina. Yes, I'm right here live right on Genesee Street, and the snow is still falling lightly, but still falling. If you're heading out this morning, be careful some slick roads, especially on those higher elevations. In fact, driving here too, just some slushy roads. Not too bad, but again, typical winter driving. And in fact, taking a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, some light snow showers. This is the tail end. This is the tail end of the snow coming to an end in the next couple of hours. So dealing with mostly cloudy skies for today. And in fact, temperatures will still be in the 20s starting out this morning. Feels like 21 with just a decent breeze from the northwest at 5 miles per hour. So for the most part, again, just a light breeze, cooler temperatures. Bring a winter jacket if you're heading out this morning. And for today, warming up only into the mid-30s for the highs with, again, mostly cloudy skies. I'll be talking a bit more what to expect for the weekend ahead coming up. Back over to you.
Thank you so much, Eric. And I know two people who last...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good Saturday morning and welcome back. I'm currently live here at Genesee Street where the parade is about an hour or at least a half hour away. Now, we are experiencing some snow showers this morning. Thankfully not as snowy for those who did attend last year, as snowy as last year's parade, but still some snow showers continuing. In fact, live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're on the tail end of the snow system. This will push through within the next couple of hours, and we're looking at mostly cloudy skies for the remainder of the day. And in fact, taking a look at local conditions across, well, at least for the area right now, 26 degrees. Feels like 21, just a light breeze in the north right now. So still, we're talking about just a chilly winter day in store for us today. So bundle up if you're heading out to the parade this morning. And in fact, across the area, temperatures still relatively similar. 27 in Whitesboro, 31 degrees in Cooperstown, 34 in Little Falls, 28 in Inlet, and 29 degrees up north in Lake Pleasant. So again, similar temperatures across the area and not warming up by much today, only reaching the mid-30s for highs. Now, taking a look at the radar and satellite, this is what we were experiencing at least overnight, some widespread snow showers, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. This did bring decent accumulations for those of you in the Southern Valley, especially in the Otsego County area. Now, you can see the tail end of the system right here. It's weakening and moving out towards the east. So after this, we're talking about mostly dry weather, at least for the end of today as well as Sunday. But then we're talking about another system arriving as we arrive into Monday and Tuesday of next week. So look at our skycast this morning. Again, those lingering snow showers come to an end. We're talking about mostly cloudy skies by the at least early afternoon. You can see 9 to 10 a.m. still some lingering light snow showers. Temperatures only warming up into the mid-30s for highs. Tonight, looking at decreasing clouds, cooling down into the lower 20s. So another chilly night in store for us tonight, but we do warm up a little bit more as we head into tomorrow. So 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, temperatures in the 20s, mostly cloudy skies. Could see a peak of sunshine by the early afternoon with temperatures reaching the upper 30s to even low 40s by the mid-afternoon. But then clouds increase once again, and then we're talking about additional snow showers that could be on at least the heavier side as we head into Monday and Tuesday. More details coming up tonight at 6 p.m. with additional info on that. Now, for today then, highs in the mid-30s with mostly cloudy skies. Light breeze from the north for today as well, and tonight cooling down into the 20s with just partly clear skies, a light breeze from the northwest. And our 7-day forecast, again, we're talking about those snow showers still for at least at the start of the day, mostly cloudy by the afternoon, turning into sunshine by the mid-afternoon for tomorrow. Keep an eye on those snow showers for Monday and Tuesday, dry for Wednesday and Thursday with temperatures in the mid-30s. Sending it back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric. Stay warm down there.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. The Mad Mile Runners are underway, moving throughout the Genesee Street right now, and the snow is still falling, as you can see, lightly falling. Not as bad as last year, but still there's some light snow showers to deal with for today. Perfect weather, however, for this parade to be underway. And in fact, taking a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar again, these snow showers are going to be gradually coming to an end within the next couple of hours. So although we're dealing with some snow showers right now, they will come to an end. Still just some light snow showers at least for the next couple of hours. showers. Now, current conditions right now are still in the 20s. In fact, local temperature right now 27 degrees. Feels like 19, however, with a decent wind chill from the north. In fact, local temperatures across the area in the mid-20s, at least in the Mohawk Valley, 28 in Whitesboro, 34 degrees in Little Falls, 29 in Inlet up in the North Country, as well as 30 degrees over in Westmoreland. Now, this is a system we were talking about at least for yesterday as well as today is this low pressure center that is weakening and moving its way out towards the east. So we're seeing the remnants of what is left of the snow showers. So we are going to be drying up within the next couple of hours or so. Now, taking a look at our skycast, I want to expect, at least for the start of the parade, seeing right now some lingering flurries. This would be the case, at least for the most part, if you're heading out to the parade still. This would be the same conditions. Some slushy roads possible, but not too bad, at least for the main roads. Untreated roads, especially in higher elevations, could see more slushy conditions, especially on those untreated surfaces. Now, on our skycast, again, temperatures in the 30s with mostly cloudy skies, lingering light snow showers. By the afternoon, still mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid-30s. By tonight, though, decreasing clouds, cooling down into the upper teens to lower 20s for most of us, so a chilly night in store for us tonight. But warming up tomorrow into the upper 30s to low 40s, starting out with clouds, but then returning some sunshine, at least briefly in the Mohawk Valley, at least by the afternoon, but clouds return once more. We are talking about another snow system that we do expect to arrive at least by Monday and into Tuesday of at least for beginning of next week. So snowfall still expected. Active weather is in store for us at least for the next couple of days, but this weekend is still remaining relatively dry. Now for today though, highs in the mid-30s with mostly cloudy skies. Again, lingering flurries this morning coming to an end. Tonight cooling down into the 20s with partly clear skies. Lingering clouds in our 7-day forecast. Again, the snow showers coming to an end this morning. Looking at mostly dry weather, at least for the remainder of the weekend. We're keeping an eye on the possibility of accumulating snow for Monday and into Tuesday. But after that, dry weather is expected to head into Wednesday and Thursday of this week. Sending it back up to you.
Love taking a look at your friends' beach.
Let's look at your forecast at 6. Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us. Eric, you were with me. That was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. If you want to realize too, I started out doing the morning show.
Yeah,
those weather, the weather hits, and then I actually went with Gary. We ran back. Well, not ran back. We still walked back. And met you guys in the parade. And we walked through and handed out some candy, and it was a lot of fun.
Yes, we did.
I just got handed a giant bag of candy. Go hand it out. So I'm like, okay. I handed out at least two or three Skittles and Starburst to every kid, and I'm like, I'm running out of candy very quickly, so I had to learn to at least give out one candy. I actually ran out by the end of the parade, so sorry for those of you that I skipped, but we ran out of candy very quickly. But It was a fun time. I enjoyed it. My first time as well. So
awesome.
And taking a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, turning our attention to weather for tonight. The snow showers this morning did come to an end. We're talking about mostly cloudy skies with, in fact, some sunshine peeking out in the Mohawk Valley right now. Now, we are talking about an alert day. It issued an alert day for Monday night and into Tuesday. This will be due to gusty winds, wet snow, and this is going to be a longer duration snow event. So don't expect all this snowfall at once, but we are keeping an eye on this system. We have more up-to-date info on what to expect for the snowfall as we head into the next couple of minutes. Now, right now, current temperature 25 degrees, dew point 25. It feels like 24 degrees right now with a calm wind from the west. And for tonight, again, a low of 19 degrees, partly cloudy skies, decreasing clouds. We are talking about some sunshine expected for the middle of the day tomorrow, and then after that, some snowfall. Look at that full forecast is coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Woods Valley's always
start to your Saturday. Turn to mostly cloudy skies by this evening. Even seeing some peaks of sunshine before sunset in some areas in the Mohawk Valley this evening. Let's take a live look outside. Our Cave Tower camera overlooking St. Utica. Again, looking towards the south, seeing some clouds to the south, but again, some clearing skies for some of us. This will be the story for tonight. Just some lingering low-level clouds with partly clear skies for tonight. And a live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The snow showers we saw this morning have come to an end. The system is out towards the Atlantic and outside of our area. We're looking at dry weather, at least for the most part, for tonight. The start of tomorrow, even to tomorrow night as well. Unsettled weather does arrive heading to Monday afternoon. So for the most part, expect dry weather at least for the next couple of days. Now, Recapping our snowfall event, pretty much on our forecast totals 2 inches in New Hartford, 2 inches in Westdale, 3 inches over in Clinton, sent in by our sky watchers. Sun Valley's temperature or snowfall amounts 3.5 inches in Westford, 6 inches in Worcester, 4 inches in Edmonton, 2 inches in Sequoia, and 3 inches checking in Whitesboro. Now, talking about the future, at least for the next couple of days. So in our Skycast, again tonight, seeing decreasing clouds across the area, temperatures cooling down into the lower 20s, lingering low-level clouds for the morning hours tomorrow. 6:30 a.m. temperatures still chilly in the upper teens to lower 20s. By noon, seeing some peaks of sunshine. Going to be a slightly warmer day tomorrow with highs reaching the upper 30s to lower 40s. Then clouds increase once more heading to Sunday evening and early Monday morning. Then we're talking about snowfall. Now, 9 a.m. Monday, looking at due to lifting some light snowfall, especially just north of the Mohawk Valley. Not expecting much in terms of snowfall for this at least, but the snowfall character will be on the wet side due to those temperatures still hovering right above freezing. Now, as the system moves through, moisture starts to increase, and we can still see in the Mohawk Valley warmer temperatures Monday evening, still in the mid-30s, reducing snowfall. In fact, for the most part, the Mohawk Valley looks to start out as rain, and then it will gradually turn over to snow as we head into Monday night. So 5 p.m. you can still see this band of some rain showers in the lower elevations, but this does start to turn all to snow as you head into 10 p.m. for Monday night. Now, we're keeping an eye on this area right here, this dark blue, because this is all due to a, or at least for a nor'easter, as well as a trough over our area out towards the west. Now, what does that mean? Well, this nor'easter will move off the coast towards Boston and then become stationary. And this will bump up snowfall totals. Now, at this point, we're only going to be forecasting at least by a 12-hour period. So this is our snowfall probability. You can see a chance of snow of 2 inches or more, very likely, almost certain. So we're definitely going to be seeing some snow showers as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Now, I want to emphasize the 12-inch mark. Now, we can see that it's still a possible 50-50 shot that some of the area gets a foot or so of snow, but the higher elevations, especially towards the Catskills and just north of some areas on I-90, still expect to see some snowfall totals up there, but still a likely chance, not entirely for certain. But as you can see right here, this is our initial snowfall forecast. Now, this is just until Tuesday morning. This is split up into two separate periods. More snow is expected Tuesday night. Now, 3 to 6 inches for most of you, generally out towards the west, Utica, Rome area, mostly I-90 corridor, lower elevations out towards Syracuse. But those higher elevations, when this snow band starts to develop, 6 to 10 inches of snow showers, especially for those of you in the higher elevations in Otsego, aiming up towards the North Country, towards Old Forge. So for tonight, low of 19 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy with some sunshine in the evening, a high of 41 degrees. Our 7-day forecast, turn those clocks forward tonight, looking at snow showers for Monday evening as well as Tuesday, dry Wednesday and Thursday.
Forecast tonight, 11 meteorologist Eric Gage. Pretty cold out there tonight, Eric.
Yeah, a bit chilly out there tonight. Now, I want to first address the snowfall we're going to be expecting as we head into Monday night and into Tuesday. So we made it an alert day. This is mainly due to gusty winds. The snow will be on the wet side, so it will be heavy to shovel. And along with that, too, tricky travel situations, especially throughout the day Tuesday. Now, this is a long-duration snowfall event, so not all the snow will fall at once, thankfully. But still, we're going to be talking about at least tricky travel situations, especially for most of Tuesday, even into Monday night as the snow begins to start. But turning our attention to tonight, quiet conditions across the area. New Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, and temperatures still on the chilly side tonight. In the 20s, however, it feels like the teens. Taking a look at the temperatures across the area. 24 degrees in Whitesboro, 23 in Little Falls, 21 in Cooperstown, 19 degrees in Richfield Springs. It will cool down into the mid-teens by tonight with those clear skies causing radiational cooling. Those clouds, not a lot of clouds will prevent the cooling for tonight. And again, we are talking about what to expect for that snowfall as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Look at that full forecast is coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Woods Valley's
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Snow showers starting out this morning, turning to mostly cloudy and eventually some peaks of sunshine by this evening. Now tonight, quiet weather with mostly clear skies, and we're talking about at least a nice seasonable day for tomorrow. Let's take a live look outside our Cavity Tower camera overlooking quiet conditions across the Mohawk Valley this evening, as well as taking a live look at Yorkville Battery. Storm Tracker 2 top of the radar. Things are looking to remain dry for tonight. Started tomorrow as well as tomorrow evening, even to the start of Monday, but that's when weather starts to turn unsettled. And we did issue a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Monday night and into Tuesday. This will be throughout Tuesday as well, but we're going to isolate at least the start of this event because this is going to be a long duration snowfall event. Not all the snow will fall at once. This will be wet snow, and also we're going to see some gusty winds as winds will be arriving from the southeast as we head into Monday night into the majority of Tuesday. Now, bring it back at least for the near term, and I'll mention more of this snowfall in the next minute or so. So our skycast for tonight, again, quiet weather across the area, temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s, mostly cloudy skies starting out tomorrow morning with still chilly temperatures across the area. However, sunshine can look to peek out at least briefly across some parts of the area by noon, but clouds will start to increase, at least high-level clouds as we head into the evening. This is the arrival of that nor'easter. Now, it's going to be missing us at least to the south. We're going to have another system, actually what's called a trough, out towards the west, and this will be pushing in at least some light snow showers just north of the Mohawk Valley. And then the moisture begins to arrive. You can start to see some snow showers begin to develop. Still, temperatures in the Mohawk Valley on Monday around 5 p.m. are still above freezing, 36 Utica, 37 Herkimer, as well as 37 in Kendra-Harry. So still above freezing in the Mohawk Valley. So it will initially start out as rain at lower elevations and then gradually turn over to snow as temperatures cool. Now, we're keeping an eye on this snow band right here. This is Monday, 10 p.m., and you can see this dark blue right here. Now, we're going to have a more updated model run tomorrow morning. This doesn't go out this far, but as you can see right here, this will start to develop, and this will bring in at least some heavier snowfall rates, especially for those of you out towards the Albany area. But for the most part, this is what we're going to be expecting. This is only until Tuesday morning. Waking up Tuesday, this is what you're expecting to see for most of the area in the Mohawk Valley. 3 to 6 inches of snowfall, 6 to 10 for those of you in the higher elevations, especially in Otsego County. Still a bit iffy on the forecast up in the North Country, but it's more, at least, we're more confident in this forecast, at least for the southern valleys right now, and still in the Mohawk Valley with 3 to 6 inches as the snowfall does start out as rain and then turns over to snow. We are expecting more snowfall throughout the day Tuesday, but this is what to expect at least starting out. So for tonight, low 15 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, clouds starting out, some sunshine peeking through in the afternoon, a high 41. Our 7-day forecast, looking ahead, make sure to turn your clocks forward for tonight. For Monday, again, keep an eye on that Storm Tracker alert day. For Tuesday, widespread snowfall, dry weather at least relatively expected for Wednesday and Thursday. St. Patrick's Day, still looking to see at least a rain or snow mix by Friday.